Hi, my name is Brennan. This is Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today we're going to show you how you can make your very own Star Wars light switch covers. So this is one of the switches I'm going to do. It's kind of like a droid access panel switch. This one is probably going to go in my bathroom. But I also got a couple more switches that I want to 3D print for my outlet, a single switch, another outlet, and I'm going to start putting them everywhere in my room to make it look a little bit more Star Wars-y. This isn't really a room build. This is something that I just wanted to decorate my switches with to kind of match everything in the room. So it's kind of like a little accessory. So we're going to start with this one. This one's going to take about 4 hours and 23 minutes to make. It's going to build it just like that. Then we got this little outlet. I kind of colored this in because this is how I want it to look, but it's really going to print looking like this. So this is going to take about 3 hours and 1 minute. It's going to build just like that. This is my third one. Hold on. And this is going to take about 2 hours and 48 minutes. And then finally, my fourth one. Which will take me about 1 hour and 50 minutes. So I'm going to be printing all of these switches and put them in my room. Or if I didn't mention, I got all these files for free on Maker World. I just looked up Star Wars stuff and eventually I found some outlets. Alright, so we're gonna take our time printing all these parts out and get them ready. Let's get to it. Now we're done printing. I think this turned out really well. All of these different designs and stuff. I think it came out really good. The only thing we have to do now is take out the supports on the inside, and it'll be ready to paint and put up on the wall. Alright. That's what we're going to do next. We're just going to take the supports off, and I'm going to use this little tool to kind of pry it off. And you always want to make sure when you're taking off supports that you're actually grabbing the support and taking it off. You don't want to grab the piece of plastic because you can break it off easy. So just take your time, be careful, and that's it. Let's get to it. Now with the supports taken off, we can get to put primer on it and then paint it the metallic colors we want. So we're first going to start off with this surface primer black, and then later probably put on some metallic color. So this probably the silver for a base, and then we'll get around that. So let's get to it. Unfortunately, I had problems with my airbrush, so I had to switch to a regular spray paint, and I used Rust-Oleum's Satin Black and did at least 2 coats. So now, since we're done painting, this all black base paint, I was going to airbrush this, but since I knew I was going to paint different colors, I'm just going to hand paint most of this with brushes and some of my airbrush paint. So like I'll be using this dark gray, and then probably some red for little details. Probably use some white, and probably some metallic colors, some like this, or I have some of my like gold colors. So I might, like for this part, I might make part of this either gold or bronze or copper looking. So I'm still trying to decide what I want to do, so you'll see when I start painting all this. So we'll get to all that. So yeah, we'll just be hand painting all of these panels and see how it turns out. Should be good. Let's get to it. Hey, we got done painting them. I think they turned out really well. I love the metallic paints I put in everything, especially this one. I love that little droid access panel. Now the final step is to put them in the wall, and I'm just going to take a flat tip screwdriver, take off the cover, and put that on and screw it back on. So just make sure when you're doing this, make sure that if you're not old enough, have an adult do it for you, because you can slip and electrocute yourself, so just please be very careful taking off the cover and putting stuff like this on. So let's get to it. Now, unfortunately, I can only put these two up because the other two I was going to put up, these two, would go in the bathroom. But I didn't know until I found out trying to install it. The box behind this switch is pushed so far back, and the print is a little bit too thick, so these normal screws will not reach that box and go through this. So I'll have to go to the store and get some more screws, longer screws, so it can fit in that one. And then I had the same problem with this one. So I'll give you guys updates on what that would look like after that's done. So sorry about that, guys. So I'll keep you guys updated on that whenever I get this up. And thank you guys for watching my video, and hopefully you like stuff like this and want to see more of it. So please like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. And if you haven't subscribed, thank you very much for your support. I very much love doing these kind of projects. I absolutely love stuff like this, and I'm starting to make my room come together and look more Star Warsy. And if you guys want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel so I can keep you updated on the latest info about my builds and 3D projects. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.